Guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about advanced Instagram outreach strategy with AI bots, which is not exactly AI bots in auto DM bots, so it's not really AI. However, when the reply comes or any action comes from the other side, our AI will answer, right? I'm just going to go very fast what we will be basically doing here in this video. I'm going to make it as simple as possible, and what we're going to do next is just we're going to look at the bot, test it, and see how it goes, right? So step number one, find target accounts, right? It's very important for us to research, look for accounts that are related to your niche, competitors, or influencers. Number two, pick 3, 5 accounts. That's for start, for beginner at least, right? Focus on highly engaged accounts, comments, likes, shares, matching your target audience. Now, what's your target audience? You might choose, let's say, to target real estate, insurance, mortgage, whatever you think is best for you. Right. Step number two, we're going to create the bot. Bot setup, create a bot for each target account that can follow and follow, like post, comment on post, comments, send personalized DMs. To DM tip, use personalized messages. Example, hey name, love your content, have you try your product or service, whatever it is. Of course, we're going to discuss that on a second video. Now we're going to just go into a very basic setup. Step number three, bot settings. Avoid getting banned, very important. Set your bot to act like human. Keep interaction moderate, don't unfollow many people, don't spam, include random delays. And number four, of course, post engage content. So create content for your audience, post reels, content that will grab attention, people checking your profile. That's what we're doing this. That's what we're poking people. That's what we're following them. That's what we comment because we want them to come to our profile and see what we're doing. Right? Your profile looks great. Strong bio, very clean understanding what you're doing exactly. Step number five, track and improve, guys. Very important. Track and improve. Monitor engagement, check how people respond to your bot and content, just as you need it. Right? So A/B test with DMs, comments, and content types. Follow up with personal messages. If you want personal, if no, AI will follow up. And two, close deals. Once engaged builds, move conversions towards closing deals. That is the point, which means just bring them to the goddamn school community and we'll do the rest. Now, let's go and check out our bot, right? So I'm just going to come right here. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. And I'm putting myself right here. Hey, great. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, basically, I'm talking from the Instagram account. Fucking awesome. Okay, let's put this right here. And I'm going to choose our friend, a very good friend of ours. I already actually did choose him while I was trying to make this video. And this is basically, let me just show you this guy. George Palayo. So George Palayo, he is the co-founder of PHP, People Helping People Insurance Agency. Great guy. He already answered, hey bro, what's up? Our basically our AI kept going, which is amazing, and we're just expecting a second answer from him. And I already took. So what I want you to do is remember this, right? So we're going to be opening the bot. We're going to need this name. Very important. Here, I created already for a bot for George, but I'm going to do it one more time. And I'm just gonna basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna trying to delete this bot. Right. I'm just gonna go create a new bot. Right. So George. I'm gonna delete George. I'm going to delete the Greek coach. I'm gonna do a new bot. Name of the bot. I'm gonna do this LP life insurance LI right LI life insurance George right PHP and we're gonna see targeting followers right remember what is the bot, whose is it, what's the age, what's the company, and who are we targeting. Check this out, right? So here we're targeting followers, and we come right here. Oh, 1 second. Yes, we're targeting not followers, targeting followers right here. We want to add George's name, which we did a huge mistake right now because look at this. So as soon as I open, you see the chatbot disappeared. Now why? Because we need to save it. So I do this mistake. I kind of like lost my bot a few times, and it was really annoying. So that's why we're gonna go again. Create a bot. Name is life insurance. That's what we're targeting, right? The niche. The niche. Then we go the name George, right? And then we're gonna do the company PHP, and then what we're targeting followers, which is great. 1 second. I'm just gonna do this. followers, right? I think so. Is it? I think, right. Followers. Right here, you see, we need to input the Instagram username, which is very important. And we did. Now, what do we want for this bot to do? We want to auto follow, post. We can also send DMs, right? And we can also comment on posts. I'm going to show you know what? I'm just going to do it all right here because I want to show you. However, you don't have to do all of it. You don't have to send DMs to everybody. You don't have to comment to every post because that can get you banned. But however, what I'm going to do, I just really want to show you right here how you do this, and you don't have to do all of it. Again, I would say follow and follow, like post for first time, and then do the end of that. I'm just going to do this. Let me see one time. So we're not going to do this yet. What we're going to do, we're going to take out the DMs and the comments because we need to create already templates and comments and DM templates. So save this first, the bot, and then we're going to create some. So to avoid account being banned, which is very, very important, what we suggest increase the time of action. So that's 8 to 15 minutes. The way they live it, they know because that's how Instagram looks at it. And pause for 20, 25 minutes after sending every 20 users once to make it look natural. You understand? So we have this, we're going to go save. And now you see we have our bot, right? Now we go to DM templates and comments templates. Now let's go to the DM templates. Let's go first of all to the comment templates. Let's do a comment template. Let me see how we do this. Enter the name, username. Great. So we want to do comments, right? So what you're going to do here is basically this. Right. Go to ChatGPT, right, and say, let's say we're coming right here. Give me 10. Give me 10, let's say, comments general with emojis supported. We don't really want to do this. No words, just emojis. And maybe things like 100%. So we want something. We wanted to comment something that everybody can comment. That even if you even if the comment is bad or good, you have to keep it like, yo, 100%. I got you, feel you, stuff like that. Something like this. So this can go everywhere. You understand? What you do, you just copy this, and this is very general emojis. However, people do that all the time. And we go here, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to do this. We're going to open again the bot, and we're going to go here, and we're going to go to comment, and now we're going to create a template. We're going to go LI, like we did before, right? George, boom, PHP. And what we do is this, paste. You see, we have 3 of them, and then we copy this, copy. Then we delete, and then we say add message, and then copy. We paste, copy, message. You see what I'm doing right here? That's how you are going to do it. Well, you get the point, right? I'm going to say save, right? And I'm going to leave the DMs out because I don't want to do that DM stuff, right? So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go again to George. And we're going to followers. We're going to say comment bot, right? And we're going to say please select template. And we just selected template. And what we're going to do, we're going to do save. Now you got a bot for George, special bot. And you're going to go select the bot, which is Georgia. And then you see it says like choose how many followers, following or posts these followers should have in order for us to do that action, right? I just leave that on the default because we don't really care. That's what one. And public accounts, just leave that all general and just press start working. Normally, what happens now, a second page opens and the bots start working as it is you sitting on the computer. You understand? And you're going to see it working. You should leave it for 2, 3, 4 hours so it can look natural because it will be actually going in profiles and start clicking stuff by itself. That's how it is. Basically, right here, you can see everything, right? Great news, IG Grow bots, sports on background. You can carry out tasks like browser other web pages, watching videos and stuff. Oh, look at this. What our bot just did. It just went there, you follow, comment, and liked Somebody, right? We don't even know. So some people have pictures, some people don't. We don't care. We just go and just comment, right? So what it will do, it will just constantly go and do that. And that's actually nothing bad. That is amazing. You can watch your bot working. I just put it my bot to do it faster. Why? Because, well, I mean, I wanted to show you the results, and that's why I put it this way. So guys, this is basically the follow and follow, like, comment, all kind of bots, everything work for you. If somebody DM you or do something, or even comment on one of your posts, your AI will kick in. That's why we did it. And basically, this is our strategy, how to go after everybody. Also, what's going to happen is that you need to understand this, that this AutoDM IG bot, what he has this beautiful thing that you don't have to tie it to one account, which means if you have 5, 6 dummy accounts, right, with your pictures, everything, you can basically change the account and you will keep working, right? The price of it, it's I believe it's around $16 or $17 for 3 months. It's very cheap, nothing crazy about it. I'm gonna find the link below. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next